Hi, it's Christy at the Bureau with the latest update on all this wet weather that we're expecting over New South Wales. Let's start with our severe weather warning. This is for heavy rainfall that could lead to flash flooding. We're talking rainfall totals over 6 hours of between 70 and 90 millimetres, maybe up to 120 millimetres. And over 24 hours, we could see rainfall totals between 120 and 160 millimetres, even up to 200 millimetres. Now that's in an area extending from just south of Wollongong all the way down to north of Bega and the ranges inland of that. Now this is rainfall falling on already wet ground, so the water will pool and cause flash flooding. So if you're in these areas, please take care. So let's see what's happened already today. We can see these coastal showers which have been ongoing for the last week or so, but the important thing to note is this rainfall that's occurring over inland parts, and that's to do with the system that will push towards the coast today and enhance these coastal showers. So let's take a look at that now. We can see that we have this inland system over inland parts of New South Wales and southern Queensland, producing showers and thunderstorms. But importantly, we also have these easterly flow pushing the rainfall onto the coast, right along the coast, but in particular in the south coast. And that's the area that we're focusing on today. And as that system moves towards the coast, we can see that it does tend to push those showers more onto the coast, particularly in the south. And as we move into tomorrow, that system moves even closer to the coast and does tend to clear the showers over inland parts, just a few showers left. But the important thing to note is that as this trough pushes off the coast, the winds still wrap around it and push into the coast of New South Wales, the southern coast, continuing those showers and heavy rainfall through those parts of the state. On Monday though, that system will tend to move off the coast, leaving us with just a few coastal showers, particularly during the morning, and by the end of the day, not looking at much left right along the coast, and a much more settled Tuesday to come. So how much rainfall are we expecting? Well, we can see that this is our rainfall accumulated between Saturday and Monday. Inland, we've got widespread falls of 20 to 50 millimetres, but it's near the coast that we're seeing these heavier falls, these pink areas which are up to 70 to over 100 millimetres. Now that is through the southern Illawarra, the south coast region. We can also see right along the coast some areas of pink around the Sydney and Illawarra coast, and this is most likely to occur if we see thunderstorms giving us heavy rainfall through those areas. If we do get heavy rainfall and thunderstorms through these areas, we will issue severe thunderstorm warnings, so make sure you stay up to date with all the latest warnings. With all this rainfall falling, we are expecting the rivers to rise as well. So we do have flood watches out. Now this is through the Hawkesbury, Nepean and also the south coast catchments. These are an early heads up of areas that may see minor flooding with the expected rainfall. But as the rain starts to fall and we see rivers start to rise, we may issue flood warnings for particular rivers. So make sure you stay up to date, particularly if you live near any rivers or streams. Now this is an evolving situation. The rain is already falling. We are expecting it to increase. The heaviest rain is likely Saturday afternoon and night and into Sunday morning. So make sure you stay up to date with all the latest forecasts and warnings on our website or our app, and we'll keep you up to date on social media as well. Follow all advice from emergency services and please stay safe.